In this video, we will talk about how to fix black screen with cursor on Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Perform a system restore. Press and hold the Ctrl, Shift, then Escape key on your keyboard. Select Run New Task. Type rstrui.exe and click on OK. Here, you need to choose a different restore point and click Next. Select the date when your PC was working fine. Click Next to restore your PC to the back date when it was working fine. Method 2. Reboot PC. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then Alt key and press Delete key on your keyboard. Select the power icon and restart your PC. Either you can press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to shut down your PC. Restart again to check if this helps you to fix the issue. Method 3. Wake the screen. Press and hold Windows key, then Ctrl key, then Shift key, and press B on your keyboard. You should hear a short beep or see the screen flash. This resets the graphics driver. Method 4. Restart Windows Explorer. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then Shift key, then Escape key. You will get Task Manager. Click on Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and make sure to check this option. And click on OK. So that's how you can fix black screen with cursor on Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.